Transcendent unity of religions, as Frithjof Schuon uses that phrase, is meant to point us to a fundamental unanimity or consensus among all the world's major traditions. Every tradition teaches the truth. Every religion inculcates morals, encourages virtue. Every religion offers its adherents an ambiance of beauty and sacred symbolism. And every religion teaches people to pray, to meditate, to contemplate, to reunify themselves with their source in God. But Schuon would insist that that unity, that unanimity is transcendent in character. It's not something to be achieved by conferences, workshops, scholars like me. It's not something to be conflated on a horizontal level in a kind of what Coomaraswamy, I believe, called religious Esperanto. We will become one in God according to God's own measures by following our own religion in the fullest of all possible ways and, God willing, becoming saints thereby. Then we will see the unity that God has in mind for us.